Welcome everybody. Today I will show you how to find parking on Google Maps. So if you are, for example, in a city or in a place and you are looking for a parking, what you have to do, you have to zoom in to your place or the city that you are in. And what you have to do, you have to go to the search bar and search for parking, and right now it will give you all the uh, options of parkings that is available here on this place, or if you zoom in you can find here other parking. For example, I will go here, I will back. So this is the parking that is available. I will click on one, and this is one of the parking, as you can see, guys. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.